Hello children, I hope you all are happy and healthy at your home and learned previous lesson. Now, what we learned in previous lesson? Let's review. We wear clothes to protect us. Types of clothes. There are different types of clothes. Mainly we divided it into four. The first is cotton, jute, silk and woolen. Yes. And types of fibers. Fibers are mainly classified into two, natural and man-made. And natural fiber are classified into wool, silk, cotton and jute. And synthetic fiber mainly classified into three, that is rayon, nylon and polyester. Special clothes. In special clothes, what we learned? Yes, uniform, wedding dresses and dancers' costumes. So children, with this, we move to our new lesson, that is keeping healthy. In this chapter, we will learn about food for health, proper rest, remain clean, exercise and correct posture. Now, let's start our new lesson. Keeping healthy. Do you know who is she? Yes, she is Saina. And what she is saying to her father? What are you doing, Papa? And what her father is replying? See here. We are doing yoga. It is very good for health. It keeps us fit. And we must take care of our bodies. To keep it healthy and strong, we should eat healthy food, take proper rest, remain clean, and exercise daily. Dear children, what her father advised her? Yes, he advised to do yoga regularly, as exercise keeps our body fit and fine. Regular physical activity can improve your muscle health and boost your immunity. Now, let's see how we boost our immunity. Go to next slide. Food for health. Follow good food habits to remain healthy. What is the first one? Eat a balanced diet. What is the first one? Eat a balanced diet. Now children, what is balanced diet? A balanced diet is a diet which contains an adequate quantity of nutrients that we require in a day. Now the second one is avoid eating junk food. Children, why we avoid eating junk food? As they are very harmful for our body. Now the next one is drink plenty of water. Children, we should drink plenty of water because our body needs a lot of water. It helps us to digest our food and we should drink at least 6 to 8 glasses of water every day. The next is do not overeat. Dear students, why? We should always eat in a limit as overeating may affect our digestive system. And the next is proper rest. Sleep for 8 hours every night. It gives rest to the body and make us feel fresh. Proper rest is very important for good health. How many hours we should sleep, children? Yes, at least 8 hours every night. And it gives rest to the body and make us feel fresh. And proper rest is very important for good health. Have you got the point, children? Yes. Now let us move to our next slide. Remain clean. See, remain clean. It is important to remain clean. A clean body is a healthy body. Everyone are telling now that we should always remain clean? Yes. What first point? C. Take a bath every day. Trim your nails weekly. Once in a week, we should trim our nails. Shampoo your hair regularly. Comb your hair to look neat. Yes, if you will comb your hair neatly, then you will look good and smart. Oil your hair once a week. When we are taking food, we are healthy na? Same way, if we will put oil on our hair once in a week, then our hair will also healthy. Wear clean and ironed clothes. Always wear clean and ironed clothes. Clear, children? Now, let us move to our next slide. Exercise. Exercise daily to keep your mind and body active and healthy. Children, we should do regular exercise. Exercise daily to keep your mind and body active and healthy. Now you are at home only and you are having lots of time to do exercise, and exercise is very good to keep you healthy. Diseases may be cured with the help of exercise. It can make you feel happier and it can increase your energy level, and exercise may help your brain health and memory. Okay, children? Now, what exercise we can do? Yes, we can do so many exercise. Some are given here. Skip, do aerobics, meditate, dance, walk, jog, and do yoga. Okay, children? Now, what grandma is saying? Playing any kind of sport regularly is a good way to exercise. Now, with this exercise, let us move to our next slide. There are some unhealthy habits. Avoid them. Now, children, what we learned? Yes, we learned some healthy habits. Now, what are some unhealthy habits we should see? Yes, watching too much television. We should not watch too much television. We should not watch too much television because it affects our eyes and it may be harmful for our eyes. Sleeping late at night. Children, we should not sleep late at night. Always go to bed before 10 p.m. Okay? And wake up early in the morning. The next is eating unhealthy food. If anyone will eat unhealthy food, they may fall sick. Yes, the next is eating without washing your hands. Children, always wash your hands frequently because nowadays in COVID-19, doctors are telling we have to wash our hands frequently. But before and after eating, we should always wash our hands. Okay? Now the next is correct posture. Keep your back straight when you sit and stand. We always stand straight and always sit straight. Keeping your back straight when you sit or stand. Good posture is important to balance. By standing up straight, you centered your weight over your feet. Okay, children? The next point is do not stoop while reading or walking. Children, do not bend your head forward or downward while reading or walking. Okay, children? Now, let us move to our next slide. Put a tick on the correct posture and a cross on the incorrect posture in each set of activities. Now, children, tell me the first one. How is this? This is the correct or incorrect? Yes, this is the correct posture. Now the second one is correct. No, it is not correct. So we will put cross here. The third one is yes, correct. He is walking straight. The fourth one is not correct. The fifth one is yes, he is standing straight. So this one is correct. The last one is not correct. Clear, children? Now let us go to next exercise. Answer the question. How can we keep our body healthy and strong? Children, we should eat healthy food, take proper rest, remain clean and exercise daily. Okay, children? We should eat healthy food, take proper rest, remain clean and exercise daily. Now the second question, why do we need to sleep? At least 8 hours sleep gives rest to the body and makes us feel fresh. How many hours? At least 8 hours sleep gives rest to the body and makes us feel fresh. Now children, the third question is, why should we exercise daily? We should exercise daily to keep our mind and body active and healthy. Repeat after me, children. We should exercise daily to keep our mind and body active and healthy. The fourth question is, state any two good food habits we should follow. There are so many habits, but we have to write any two. The first is eat a balanced diet. The second is drink plenty of water. Repeat after me. Eat a balanced diet. And the second is drink plenty of water. Now let us move to our next exercise. Mark a tick for the correct statement and a cross for the incorrect statements. Now children, first one is a balanced diet makes us ill. A balanced diet makes us ill. No, a balanced diet is good for health. So we will put here no. Second, drink plenty of water. Yes, we should drink plenty of water. So it is correct. Yoga makes our body and mind fit. Yes, yoga is very helpful for our body and for our mind. So it is also correct. Bath once a week. We should bath once in a week? No, every day we should take bath. Yes. So this one is wrong. We should bath regular. Keep your back straight when you sit or stand. Yes. We should keep our back straight when we sit or stand. Trim your nails once a week. Yes, we should trim our nails once in a week. Watch television all the time. No, it is harmful for our eyes. So, it is cross one. Okay, children? Now, let us move to our next exercise. It is important to do things at the right time every day. Following a routine keeps us healthy. Write the time when you do these activities daily. I wake up at dash am. At what time we should wake up? At 6 am. The second one is I go to school at 7:30 am. What time? 7:30 am. I eat tiffin at dash am or pm at 11:30 am. We should eat tiffin at 11:30 am. The next is I go to play at dash pm. At what time we should go? At 5 pm. Yes. The next is I eat dinner at 8 pm. Yes. And the last one is I go to sleep at 9 pm. I go to sleep at 9 pm. So children, with this slide, I conclude my lesson here. And now what's this time? Yes, it is time to revise the lesson. Let's revise. Food for health. What we learned in this chapter? Food for health. Proper rest. We should take proper rest. Means 8 hours sleep is necessary for our body. Remain clean. There are so many points in this topic. Remain clean. Exercises. We should do regular exercise. Okay, like skip, dance, play, football, and so many. Unhealthy habits. We should follow some healthy habits and we should not do some unhealthy habits. Now, the correct postures. We should stand straight, sit straight. Okay. Now, what is this time? It's time to give you some homework. Yes. Learn question and answer and write in your rough copy. I already sent you PDF. So now you will learn this question and answers and write in your rough copy. Learn all the exercises. You have to learn all the exercises given in the book. Thank you. Stay safe and stay